Welcome to the Getting Started video for the Ara240. In the video we will walk through everything you need to do to connect to the Ara240 module to the OK-MX9596-C Single Board Computer, identify the M.2 connector and cooling fan on the module, secure the cooling fan properly, use the mounting screw. Now insert the module into the M.2 M-Key interface board. Connect the fan wire to the fan connector. Now pair the module with OK-MX9596-C Single Board Computer. Power on the OK-MX9596-C, following its Getting Started guide. Once powered, confirm the Ara240 fan is spinning, and the green LED indicator on the module are on. Your Ara240 module is connected.